Hi, I'm Russell, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate reports. You've got all your sitemap set up, you got your project set up, all the data's in there. I'm going to show you how to generate some reports after you've got all your data back and you want to generate a report. I'm going to go here to Cadle Oil. We're going to go to reports, and then you can generate soil reports and groundwater reports. So I'm going to show you the first one, which is a box map. That's going to be the default image that pops up first thing when you go to reports, groundwater box maps. And so you can see here all the different boxes showing the data. If I want to actually just generate a report right away, I come down here to the bottom and hit generate report, and it'll generate a PDF automatically. It should pop up here in a second. There it is. It should open. It's going to open my PDF viewer, and there it is. So I can just go back to the page here. And one of the things that you'll want to know about this is if I want to move these boxes around, if they don't look good, I can move these around. I can also change the scale. You'll see the box size here. So that I can change the size of the box, or I can change the size of the map. They kind of are independent, but they work in concert to one another. If I increase the size of the map, the relative size of the box will shrink, and vice versa. So I'll show you that if I increase or decrease the size of this map, I got it at 200%, going to 175, and it's going to regenerate. And you'll see that the boxes now are bigger, and probably I'm moving off the page now just because of that small change in the map size. So I'll go back to 200%, and it should look pretty good. So it allows you to adjust the look of you and the positioning of these box maps. And again, wherever you leave these, that's where they're going to stay for next time. And then you can pick the dates you want in these boxes. Like I can turn some dates off, and you'll see it'll regenerate now with just the 2 dates in there versus the 4 dates. So it happens real quickly. I can also compare to different types of cleanup criteria. This is the cleanup criteria for Michigan. Whatever state you're in, whatever criteria is, that's what will be available there for the different criteria. And then I can actually determine which chemicals I want to show up in these boxes as well. If I were to turn off, say, MTBE, if I zoom in here, you'll see now that MTBE no longer shows up in the small boxes. So you can see it's gone. It's no longer in there. And then lastly, maybe there's some wells that I don't sample anymore. I don't want to show them on here. I can turn off which wells that actually show up in the box. So I can just turn these off, and then each one of these things has a save button. So next time you come back here, it'll be saved to your preferences, and you'll be able to see what you want to see next time you come in here. So, and then whenever you got it, you can actually change the units. If I want to do a parts per million, a parts per billion, or even parts per trillion, I can do that as well. So, but we'll leave it at parts per billion. And that's it. So then you just hit generate report, and it'll generate a PDF to whatever size you have your map set at. So thank you.